recipe for Pempek Ikan, an authentic Indonesian delight. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. For the Pempek, you will need fish, tapioca starch, all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, and optionally, eggs. For the Saus Cuko dipping sauce, you will need palm sugar, tamarind, vinegar, garlic, and green Thai chili. First, let's prepare the Saus Cuko. Boil sugar, salt, water, vinegar, and tamarind paste. Strain the mixture, add garlic, chili, and bring to a boil. The result is a sweet, spicy, and tangy dipping sauce. Next, prepare the Pempek dough by freezing fish, blending with salt, sugar, and chicken powder. Transfer to a bowl, add tapioca starch and all-purpose flour. Knead into a slightly sticky dough. Shape the Pempek by oiling your palms and shaping them into desired forms. For stuffed Pempek, shape like a bowl. Pour in beaten egg and seal tightly. Boil the Pempek until they float. Continue boiling to ensure the inside is fully cooked. Cut one to check doneness. And there you have it, authentic Pempek Ikan, ready to be enjoyed with the delicious Saus Cuko dipping sauce.